Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change your Facebook password without wasting any time. So let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to open your Facebook account on desktop or laptop. Then you need to go on right top corner and click on your profile icon. Then click on settings and privacy, and you will need to click on settings again. Once you land on this screen, you need to click on in the left sidebar security and login. And after that, you need to scroll down and you will be able to see from where you have accessed your account recently. And also there is an option with the name under login tab, change password. Just click on it. And now you can see you need to enter your current password. Along with that, you need to enter your new password and retype the new password again. And if you don't know about your current password, then you need to click on forgotten your password and then get your password by following this activity. Once you are able to regenerate your password, then enter your current password here and you can change your password again in the future. But you need to follow these steps. That's all about this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.